Hi children. We studied about, as we know that India has 6 physical divisions. In that we studied about the northern plains, the northern mountains, the western desert and the southern plateau. Today we are going to learn about the coastal plain and the islands. The chapter 6, the coastal plains and the islands. The two stretches of land bordering the southern plateau in the east and west are the coastal plains. The region or land located along an ocean, a sea, or a big lake is called a coast. The coastal plains of India is divided into the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. The extent of these plains is from Gujarat to West Bengal. The eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. See children, what is a coast? Firstly, we should know that what is a coast. Coast is a area where any water body and land meets. That area is said to be the coast. See, as in India is a peninsular country surrounded by 3 sets of water. It obviously has a very big or extended large coastal area. Here, our coastal area starts from Gujarat and it ends at West Bengal, and our coastal plains are divided into two parts, the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. These two coastal plains, the eastern coastal plain and western coastal plains, meet at Kanyakumari. Okay? Firstly, let us know about the eastern coastal plains. Location. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. These includes parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. The eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal region is divided into two parts. The northern side carries the region between Mahanadi and Krishna rivers. The second one is the Coromandel coast, the region between Krishna and Kaveri rivers. See children, our eastern coastal plains location is eastern coastal plains lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The river, the sea Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. It lies in between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. These eastern coastal plains are in the West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. This eastern coastal plains covers these many states, and the eastern coastal plains is divided into two parts, that is the northern Cercaris and the Coromandel coast. Where is the northern Cercaris region lies means it lies between the Mahanadi and Krishna river, and the Coromandel coastal region lies between the river Krishna and Kaveri. Okay? Rivers, the main rivers of these eastern coastal regions. Rivers. Many rivers such as Tapi, Narmada, Mandavi and Zuari flow in this region. Mangrove forests, backwater and lagoons are found in this region, especially in Kerala. They are major tourist attractions. The major rivers of this region are Mahanadi in Odisha, the Godavari and Krishna in Andhra Pradesh, and the Kaveri in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and here children, when it comes Here in the eastern coastal plains, many rivers flows, especially Tapi, Narmada, Mandavi and Zuari. Here, this eastern coastal plains have a thick mangrove forest and backwater, and also the lagoons. What is lagoons? Lagoons are the water body which is separated by the main body from the sea or river by a sand or a rock. These are called lagoons. And backwaters are also known as kayals, are found along the Malabar coast. Okay, and here children, the important river when it comes to the very important rivers which flows in the Odisha is Mahanadi, in Andhra Pradesh Godavari and Krishna river, and Tamil Nadu Kaveri river. All these rivers flow in southeast direction and fall into the Bay of Bengal. All these rivers flow into the southeast direction and this meets Bay of Bengal. They form large delta in this plain. This makes the region very fertile, irrigated and thickly populated. As these many rivers flow, these many rivers makes the area very fertile, and these rivers makes a fertile delta wherein it is very useful for agriculture and irrigation purpose. What is the main occupation of the people in the eastern coast? Let us see the occupation. The main occupation of the people are agriculture and fishing. Rice, coconut, jute and sugar cane are the main crops grown here. The main occupation of the people here is agriculture and fishing. Why? Because these many rivers flow, so the agriculture can be done easily, and as the water body, as it is a coastal area, fishing is also a important occupation of the people. And which are the main crops grown in the eastern coastal plain are rice, coconut, cotton, jute and sugar cane. What is the climatic condition of eastern coastal plains? Let us see the climate. The climate is hot and humid throughout the year. This region receives heavy rainfall during the summer monsoons. The winters are cooler. The Coromandel coast receives rain in winter and is often hit by cyclones. See children, what is cyclones? Cyclones means strong forceful winds flow in circular motion. Cyclones means strong forceful wind moves in a circular motion. It means it will be heavy wind flow. The climatic condition of this eastern coastal plain is hot and humid. It means it will be hot and even we can find the moisturizer in the climate throughout the year. This region receives heavy rainfall during the summer monsoon and the winters are very cooler, and also these Coromandel coast always most of the time often hit by the cyclones. Important ports of eastern coastal plain. The important ports of this region are Pradeep in Odisha, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Chennai and Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. There is a big shipbuilding yard at Visakhapatnam. See children, when it comes to the ports, important ports in eastern coastal plains are, what is a port? Port is a harbor wherein the ships come and land and the goods can be exchanged. We have a Important ports of eastern coastal plains are Pradeepa in Odisha, Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Chennai and Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and also there is a shipbuilding yard, means the shipbuilding factory in Vishakhapatnam. In the next video, we'll learn about the western coastal plains.